You wanted to be in Jamaica, you wanted to be in Greece, you wanted to be in Thailand, Barbados, wherever you expected to go. But then coronavirus came and put a pause on your plans.
Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events.
As you may know, there's a disease going around right now that is extremely toxic and at times fatal to the human body called coronavirus. To combat this, the CDC has put in place different measurements and recommendations on how we as a society can stay safe and healthy throughout these trying times. Now, while being healthy and safe is our top priority, it has caused us challenges for how we are celebrating our milestones. Before this pandemic, if you finished school, you got a graduation. That hasn't been the case for a lot of people this year. Before, if you had a baby, you're welcoming a baby, you would have a gender reveal, a baby shower. That hasn't been the case for a lot of people. Now, if you or a loved one will be celebrating a birthday, I want to give you 10 ways you can still celebrate your birthday, maintain social distancing without having to cancel. I want to challenge any belief that you can't have a lit, memorable, exciting birthday celebration and maintain social distancing at the same time. Now, before I get into the video, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. The first way you can maintain safe social distancing practices and still have your birthday is to bring your birthday destination to you. Let's say this year you expected 2020 to be your year. You wanted to be in Jamaica, you wanted to be in Greece, you wanted to be in Thailand, Barbados, wherever you expected to go. Your idea was that your passport would be stamped, you would be catching flights, you'd be booked and busy. But then coronavirus came and put a pause on your plans. Go ahead and throw an event based off of wherever you thought you were going to go. For example, at the end of March, my sisters were expecting to go to Vegas. Unfortunately, coronavirus came, they had to cancel their flight and they couldn't go. It's not really that safe to be traveling. So for this year, for their birthday, I'm bringing Vegas to them. We're still gonna have fun, we're still gonna have a good time, and we're still gonna get lit. And while this may not be the ideal way they would want to spend their birthday, it's turning lemons into lemonade. Just because we're going to Vegas for their birthday doesn't mean they actually can't go to Vegas when things open back up. Think of it as a pregame for when things go back to normal, to where you can actually go to your actual destination and still be safe at the same time. The second way you can still celebrate your birthday and maintain safe social distancing practices is by having a photo shoot. I did this for my birthday, and while at the time we weren't in quarantine, if things don't open back up by the time my birthday comes around again, I'm definitely doing another one. All I did was a couple weeks before my birthday, I met up with a photographer, took some pictures, and then the day of my birthday, I just posted what I needed to post. It was affordable, safe, only a limited number of people were there, the photographer, my sisters, and myself. That's it. And I still got my birthday love in the comments under my post. The next way you can still celebrate your birthday is by having a full event outdoors. Now, we just hosted a luau pool party, and because it was outdoors, it was actually safer than having an indoor event. Now, when you're outdoors, there's a lot more room for you to maintain your social distancing versus when you're indoors, you're in a contained environment. There's more chance of being like cramped up with other people. It presents a lower opportunity of maintaining social distancing when you have an indoor event. Another great example of an outdoor event that I recently saw was Cardi B. She threw a birthday party for her daughter. That was not my event at all. I had no parts in the event, but just to give you an idea of what you can do, you can have something as simple as a pool party like we did, or something as luxurious like Cardi B did for her daughter. There's a limited amount of people that were there. I would just recommend that you make sure that nobody that has tested positive for the virus shows up. Make sure that you're taking temperature checks at the door. You have plenty of masks to go around, and make sure people are keeping up their distance from each other. Piggybacking off of the outdoors thing, the next way you can have a great birthday and maintain social distancing is by having an outdoor activity. I'm talking going on a boat ride, going fishing, going hiking, going swimming, having a picnic. Whatever you end up doing, pack your favorite foods, gather around your favorite people, head outdoors, and stay safe. The next way you can still celebrate your birthday and maintain social distancing is by having something delivered to you. For example, if you are in the Southwest Florida area, Event Styles LLC delivers balloon bouquets. It is cute, it is easy, it is affordable. Even if you don't want us to deliver it to you, you can make it yourself. There's plenty of tutorials here on YouTube. You can also have edible arrangements, flowers, balloons, whatever you want delivered to you. Now, I don't know about other companies, but anything that you order through us that is delivered to you will be sanitized, completely clean, and delivered straight to your doorstep. We do have a no contact delivery. We deliver it, we head out, and we let you know that we delivered it. That way we reduce the chance of any contact happening with my team and with your family, and we reduce the chance of the virus spreading around. The next way you can still celebrate your birthday is by ordering a DIY kit. Now, you can do this through our company, eventstylesllc.com/shop, where you just tell us what you're looking for, whatever you want. We know the deals, we know the connections, so we find the cheapest way to get every single material that you need delivered to you, and we provide a customized tutorial on how to put the things together for you. Now, this is really, really great because we don't even show up. We're just delivering everything that is already sanitized and cleaned to you, and then you do it yourself. That way you don't come into contact with anybody that you don't know like that. It is extremely safe, and we're going to show you step by step how to do it yourself. If you don't want to go through us, there are plenty of companies that do this as well. Look around locally, and you could also hit up Amazon and see what DIY kits they have and just put something together yourself. The next way you can still celebrate your birthday is by having a drive-by event. Basically, a drive-by event is everyone that you invite doesn't actually get out their car. They still show up, but they just keep driving. They literally drive by the event, hence the name. This is really, really great because one, you still get to feel all the love. There's some videos that I've seen where people are literally screaming out of their car, happy birthday, or they all put their car in park and sing happy birthday in unison. It's really, really, really cute. And it's a great way for you to feel the love, but without feeling the disease. It's honestly a great way to make sure that everyone is safe. Everyone stays in the car that they came in. They keep driving. No one gets too close to each other. Now, if you're having a harder time coordinating schedules with everyone, the next event that you can do is a drop off or a pick up event. So basically you just set up two separate areas where people can pick up their thank yous, their party favors, just little treats that you want to give them for coming to your event. Now, in the other area, you'll have a place where they can drop off their gifts. Now, I will say you want to make sure that you have someone watching the areas at all times because you don't want anyone taking your stuff. Another thing is be sure that everything is sanitized. Every gift, every party favor, everything that you give out to your guests, make sure that it's really, really, really clean because you don't want to get them sick. And also every gift that they give you, make sure that you sanitize it before bringing it into the house or before you opening it. Make sure that it's really, really clean because you yourself don't want to get sick too. Moving on to the next way you can still have your birthday and maintain safe social distancing practices is by having your favorite food from your favorite restaurant delivered to you. Now, you can make this as intimate and as beautiful as a date night, or as lit and as fun as a full party, only with people that have tested negative. Please, regardless of what you end up doing, this is a great way to make sure that you are in a controlled environment, you're limiting your contact with other people, and you're having a good time. And last but not least, and probably the safest way to celebrate your birthday and maintain social distancing, is to have a virtual event. I myself, I have organized several virtual events for my clients where we have a full-blown event but with little to no guest. Basically, majority of the people that would have been at the event only show up online. Decorate everything. It looks like it's a full party experience minus the excess people. Now for my clients, it's a lot cheaper. You don't have to spend that much on food. You don't have to spend that much on party favors, and it still feels like a birthday party. Another thing you can do is have a virtual game night. There's plenty of apps for that, where you can have all your friends link up on the same app and you just have a good time like that. Or you can have virtual karaoke. Just look up an app. Just look up some apps. There's apps everywhere. Look them up. If you made it this far into the video, thank you. I can't thank you enough. Go ahead and give us a like. Comment down below what you think. Did I miss anything? Did you learn anything? Let me know. Hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you know when we post next. You'll be the first to know. And then also go ahead and follow us on our other social media platforms. Here's the username right here. Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, all of that. And we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching the video. Let us know what you think in the comment sections down below, and be sure to follow us on our other social media pages to stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ooh, you can't see the shoulders. Y'all can't see the shoulders. Y'all missing out.